Hi guys, how's it going everybody? It's Marky. What's going on? I just got back from Target stores and I picked up these Hot Wheels premium sets. They had this one here, so I got this one, the 21 Ford Mustang 2-pack. It comes with a 2020 Ford Mustang as well. They did not have the Nissan Skyline set. Katester loves these sets, one of my viewers who loves the Nissan Skyline. And my friend that watches my channel, Jared, loves the Mustangs. So this one's for Jared, this one's for Katester. And I can't remember who loves the muscle cars, but here they are, a couple of muscle cars. So I did find this set, the 70 Plymouth Superbird and the 70 Roadrunner. Now guys, I just want to ask you before I go on to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, hit that little red button and subscribe to the channel. Don't want to miss out. I have over 1,000 videos now, car videos. So subscribe and hang out with us. All right, so these are Hot Wheels Premium, again, car culture sets. These look really, really cool. Here are the graphics for the Mustang set. And I did just slice this one open and pull these cars out so I can show them up close. And here are both sets, you can see right here. And let's get up close and check these out. Here we go. Now this one on the left was supposed to be the 2021 Ford Mustang. Let's see if it's marked on the base. It says 2018 Ford Mustang. But on the card it says 2021 Ford Mustang. Okay, is that just a copyright? It says 2018 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5. What does this one say? 2018 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5. All right, I don't know what's going on. This one is copyrighted 2020. Stamped P48. Guys, help me out with what's going on with these. Why are they marked 2018 on the base, but they have different names on the card themselves? The wheels are beautiful in the white. And it is a nice glossy black color with tons of tampo work on it. Lots of details painted in or tampoed onto the car with the tampo machine. Center line right across the license plate in the back. Number 88, BC Racing Customs, Coil Lovers, all kinds of logos on here. The front looks to be like a gold color with some white accents. You can see the grille showing through. The base is metal and the cars come with rubber tires and they have slicks on them. These are nice and slick, no tread on them. Racing tires. Very heavy, nice metal. Now these don't have any mirrors on the side. They have left side driver and the windows are open. You can see inside the big tall bucket seats. Does have the console down the middle and a nice dashboard. There, you can see that there. So awesome. Really cool. Racing Mustangs. The wheels spin pretty nice. Now these rubber tires don't usually roll as smooth as as fast as the plastic. They are smooth, but not as fast as the plastic tires. This one does have the exhaust showing back here, 2 pipes on each side. And I'm not sure what this little thing here is, but there we go, 2 pipes. Beautiful with the brake lights, a lot of details. RTR Mustang. Fun haver. Awesome. So many different colors. So much going on. And the wheels are just so cool. Pretty nice Mustang. Looks like it's a fast one. Oops, first accident. There we go. Side view. Top view. And a 3/4 view from the back. It's pretty nice. And a 3/4 from the front. Really, really nice car. All right, let's check out the other one in the pack. This one comes with the green wheels. Looks like 10 or 12 spokes. Do have a green stripe on the wing in the back. Left side driver, no mirrors on the side. No windshield wipers showing there. Number 25 on the roof right here. Really cool graphics all around. There's the back end. Beautiful. Ford badge on the left. Looks like it's the same casting. I'll put it side by side now in a second. Also with the slick tires on this one. Little glass windows in the back. Windshield and window in the back. All clear glass. You can see right in there. Kind of like a gray or dark silver interior. And again, the base is all metal. The body's all metal. So metal on metal with real rider rubber tires. Very cool. These look to be very similar. They're marked the same. 2018 Ford Mustang. And you can see they're the same casting. Very nice. Totally different design with the graphics. Different graphics on these. But pretty nice cars. So what do you think, guys? Which one do you like best? The white wheels or the bright green wheels on these Mustangs? Let me know how you feel about these. What are you thinking? And are you as surprised as I am? You say 2018 on both castings, like they're the same exact car. But on the package, 2021 Ford Mustang and 2020 Ford Mustang. What is up? What is going on? Even on the back of the package, we can see that they show 21 Ford Mustang and 2020. These two are definitely different castings. So these are the next ones I got. I'm wondering if if there's any. Doesn't look. It looks like these are totally different cars. A 34 and a R32. So those are totally different. Hopefully I can find those Nissan, beautiful Nissan cars. Let's check out the packaging or what the graphics look like for the Plymouth Superbird and the Roadrunner. Hot Wheels Premium. There we have the photo of the Superbird and then the Roadrunner right here. Really cool graphics. And the back of the pack is the same as the Mustang pack with the same cars in the back. And yeah, I hope I can find these Nissan Skylines GTRs. They look so cool. Here we go. Now these look to be like, at least this one looks to be a darker blue than the older premium set in the Transport series. I do have that one, and I'm going to show you because I have it here. Looks like this one is a darker blue, and the old one was like a lighter blue. So they did change up the color a little bit, and you can see the difference there. This one came with a truck, and now this one came with another car with the Roadrunner in the 2-pack. Pretty cool series. I love these 2-packs. They look so cool. Lots of details on this one. Again, no mirrors on the side on this one. On the Plymouth Superbird. We do have the little wipers though. You can see the little wipers there painted in silver, and the frame has all the silver trim around it. Silver around the windows here. They're all rolled down, the windows, so you can see right inside there. Only one seat on the left there. And nothing else. Just one seat. Nice race car. Big taller tires in the back, smaller tires in the front. These are also slick with the Goodyear name on them. And then we have the silver or light gray colored wheels. Nice black slick tires. Number 76 right on the door and on the hood, on the roof. Union 76, get the spirit. Plymouth name right on top of the flip-ups. And it is a metal base, metal body, rubber tires. Nice big wing in the back. And lots of tampo work on the side. Big 76 on the back end here. All metal bumper. Really cool lights. This one has so much weight to it. So different. You get used to the mainline Hot Wheels that have the plastic base, and they feel so different. Very, very cool. It really does look awesome. And let's see how he looks next to the Roadrunner. Here's the Roadrunner. Oh, they look cool. Look at the difference on the tires. Wow. The Superbird has super wide tires. It's not just the Superbird. It's got super wide tires. Little accident already. So far, 2 accidents today. Goodyear on these tires. We do have the gray or silver color wheels. 2 bucket seats in there. Left side driver. No mirrors. No windshield wipers. We do have some nice details. The grille is painted in. The lights are painted in. You can hardly tell, but they are painted in or tampoed in. You can see right there. Have the little details. Very nice. A little spot for a license plate. Now these tires do have treads on them. They're not slicks. Small, skinny ones in the front. Wow, look at that. And big, fat ones in the back. Wow, that looks so cool. Just like those old vintage cars, these old muscle cars had these big fat tires in the back. That's just how they always looked. Nice brake lights, trim all around the brake lights, very nice. Have the orange and the blue, and then we have that divider stripe going all the way down to the front. Little parking lights on the front and back. Bunch of different logos, a Goodyear, Bell, all kinds of logos here. And the name Plymouth all the way on the back fender on both sides. A nice dark orange that fades a little bit as it goes down to a lighter orange, I think. It looks like it fades a little bit unless the light is deceiving me. We do have the little locks on the hood, a nice scoop, the little vents back here. The hood is nicely lined out. Same thing with the trunk. We do have a little scratch on the glass back here. Very dark inside, so it's hard to see in there. Very dark, but you see the tall bucket seats. Very nice. A really cool Roadrunner. I love how it looks. Really nice glossy blue on top. And this looks like it's tampoed in. I don't think it's painted. It looks like it's tampoed in. It looks like it's a blue car, and maybe they tampoed this orange on it. Just because you can see like the little dots, you know, like a machine would do. You see the handles are tampoed over in the orange and the little keyhole there. 76 with a little R on the bottom there. Very cool. These are so awesome. Really nice set right there. Really, really cool. Which one's your favorite? Do you like the, are you a fan of the Superbird, which is the one with the big wing, the Superbird, Plymouth Superbird, or the 70 Roadrunner? These are both 1970 cars, as marked here. Let's check out the base and see if they have any different markings. Copyright 1998 and 2016 again. It does say 70 Roadrunner on here. All right, so that's a relief. And is this a 70 Superbird? Well, there's no year on there. It just says Plymouth Superbird. And the copyright on this one is 2005. You can see this is all metal on the base here. Made in Thailand on this one. And made in Thailand for this one. P48 stamped on the base. Where were the Mustangs made? Also made in Thailand. P48 on the base. P48 on the base on this one as well. Made in Thailand. Yeah. Awesome setup of cars. Nice premiums. I gotta say, these are pretty cool. Let's back it up a little bit. There we go. Roadrunner, Superbird, Mustang, and a Mustang. Don't know what to say about the Mustangs with the wrong dates on them, or something is up with the Mustangs. Think we've been had, guys. I think we've been had. Somebody please clear this up for me. Leave a comment. Let me know if you know anything about it. What's going on with the Mustangs and the difference in the dates. These are so nice. They do look good though. These Mustangs look definitely look like race cars. Really awesome. I love the wheels on them. So cool. Wow. These are all really nice, and the packaging does stand up pretty good. They have the little thing on the bottom here, so they stand up. You can just put them on a desk or whatever on a shelf and display them. And I'll show you how they sit on the car just so you can see for reference in case you want to buy them just to display. They have this little thing inside that holds the cars in place. Now this one had the Superbird on the left here, there, and it sits in there pretty well. It won't roll around, and then the Roadrunner will sit in there, and we can pop it back in. I just slid the top portion of it so that I can put them back together if I want to. I don't know how I'm gonna store these, so I just like to have the package in case I want to display them. There's something there, so all I gotta do is sit them on a shelf if I wanted to with the whole package. Or I could display them. See, there we go. Or I could display them loose, or just keep them in a case so they stay clean. Many options, because these type of packages give you a lot of options. You can just sit them on a shelf, and that would work as well. So pretty cool right there. Beautiful packaging on both of them, by the way. Now the whole thing is, I'm dying to find the Nissan Skylines, the GTR, BNR 32 and the R34. These would be great to find. I would like to see them and see if I like them enough to buy them. And I don't know, I have a feeling that I might like them. Let's see if I ever run into them. Obviously, I got there late today. They already had bought them all. There was two of the Mustangs and only one left of this one. So I left a set of Mustangs on the shelf, on the pegs. So I left one set on the pegs. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget, just subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. I hope to see you guys again tomorrow in the next video.